Hello, thank you for considering the International Student Affairs and Travel Services for your next overseas adventure. In this video, we will guide you on how to apply for our program and to get the process started.
This video is specifically for the Summer Work and Travel Program, the Intern and Trainee Program, and the Camp Counselor Program. So, if you are not applying for one of these programs, please call our office for other instructions.
The first step in the process to apply for these programs is to schedule your terms and conditions consultation. To do so, just go to our main website, click Schedule an Appointment. Then look for Terms and Conditions Consultation, and then choose a date and time that best work for you and the representative. You will receive an email outlining the booking time and date for your consultation. Please be sure to turn on your video and audio during the session. This Terms and Conditions Consultation session is very important, as we will inform you of all our policies and terms of participation. You will receive an email immediately if there are any new versions or updates to our terms and conditions. Please use this session wisely to ask any questions or seek clarity to any policies you may not understand. This session is done about for 15 to 20 minutes and 2 or more times per week, and it is not an interview, but more so a session done with all new clients.
I will now explain what you should do after your Terms and Conditions consultation. So, after you have completed your T&C consultation, you will need to pay your registration fee online at the bank or by bank transfer, and send that receipt to us to enable your portal access. When you pay the registration fee from the portal, you are given immediate access. If you pay any other ways, such as ATM deposit, bank transfer, or at the bank teller, please submit offline payment update form. When you have access to the portal, you will be able to apply for any program of your choice. Look for the program you are interested in, then apply. Please ensure that you submit all the required information on your application and then click Submit. Incomplete applications will not be shown to the administrator to process your application. Therefore, we only review submitted application with all the information to do a proper evaluation.
After you have submitted your application, please submit all the required documents on the portal, like your passport, resume, status letter, police record, and other documents based on the program. All these documents must be submitted in PDF format, otherwise the portal will not accept it. Each time you submit your documents, you will receive an email confirmation to the email address on file. Please give us a couple days to review your application and get back to you for your first one-to-one interview, which is your screening interview. Your screening interview is a one-to-one session with a representative to determine if your personality, skills, and qualifications are suitable for the program you are applying for. This interview will ultimately determine if you will be accepted into the program. This interview can be done in person or online. You will be notified by email when to book an appointment for this interview. Please note that, to do your screening interview, you do not have to wait until you have all the required documents. At minimum, you must have your resume, and if you're applying for the work and travel program, you must show proof of enrollment like a status letter or acceptance letter.
If your screening interview was successful, it's now time to pay your screening fee. If your application is still at stage 20, please ask a representative through live chat to push up your application to stage 30 so that it can be processed. If you need help with your application or if you have any question regarding your application, you can contact us via live chat on the portal.
After you have submitted most of your documents and passed your screening interview, your profile will be sent for job placement and visa sponsorship. Please note that even though you have passed the screening interview with ISATS Jamaica, you may still have to do a secondary interview with the overseas sponsor, depending on the sponsor you are assigned to. In any instances, at this stage, you will need to settle a percentage of your program fee for us to start job placement and visa sponsorship. If you do not pay this deposit, your placement process will be postponed or terminated.
We do not ask for full payment of fees unless a job has been secured. During this stage, you will receive multiple documents or contracts to sign and submit in a timely manner. After confirming your job placement, your full program fee is now due for us to start visa sponsorship. The longer you take to submit required documents may negatively impact the job placement process, and the longer you take to make this payment may impact your position in the queue negatively. We ask participants to please ensure that they prepare themselves financially for the entire program fee before reaching this stage.
After we have confirmed your job placement and you have made full payment towards your program fee, you will be sent some contracts to sign in a timely manner, and then your documents will be sent off for J1 visa sponsorship. Your sponsor will send your certificate of eligibility to our office at ISATS Jamaica, and we will prepare your portfolio for you to take to the U.S. Embassy for your visa interview. Don't be worried. We will help you to set your visa appointment and guide you in completing your visa application.
At ISATS Jamaica, we guide you throughout the entire process, from the moment you apply until you return home. We assist you with job placement, housing arrangements, visa sponsorship, visa application, insurance, and much more.
Please contact us for more information if you have any questions or concerns.